Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English conversation practice video.
In this video, you will listen to a natural conversation between a mother and her child.
The conversation is about Christmas planning, Christmas Day, Santa Claus, and the days after Christmas.
This video is made for English learners who want to improve their listening and speaking skills.
You can listen to the conversation, or you can pause the video and repeat the sentences to practice speaking.
Repeating sentences by pausing the video can help you improve pronunciation and confidence.
Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel for more daily English conversations.
Now, let's begin our Christmas conversation together.
December has started, and Christmas is getting closer every day.
Yes, Mom. I see Christmas decorations everywhere now.
This time of the year always feels warm and special to me.
I like how people look happier during Christmas.
That's true. Christmas brings a lot of joy and positivity.
Are we going to celebrate Christmas at home this year?
Yes, we will celebrate it at home and spend quality time together.
I like staying at home more than going outside.
Staying at home gives us time to talk, relax, and enjoy simple moments.
Can we plan everything slowly so we don't feel rushed?
That's a very good idea. Planning slowly makes things enjoyable.
I want this Christmas to feel calm and happy.
Me too. Peaceful celebrations are the best. Today is a good day to decorate the house.
I've been waiting for this day.
Let's start with the living room first.
The lights look very pretty when they are turned on.
Yes, they make the room feel cozy and bright.
Can we use the decorations from last year?
Of course. Old decorations also have memories attached to them.
I remember putting these ornaments on the tree last year.
Memories make decorations more special.
Where should we place the Christmas tree?
Let's place it near the window so sunlight can fall on it during the day.
Can I help you decorate the tree?
Yes, helping together makes it more fun.
I feel proud when I help you.
And I feel happy when you help me.
Mom, can I ask you something about Santa Claus?
Of course. You can ask me anything.
How does Santa know which children are good?
Santa watches children through their actions, not just their words.
What if a child makes mistakes sometimes?
Everyone makes mistakes. Santa understands that.
That makes me feel better.
Santa values kindness, honesty, and effort.
I try to be kind to my friends.
That is very important.
Does Santa get tired delivering gifts?
He works hard, but he loves making children happy.
I want to thank Santa for his hard work.
That's a very thoughtful thought. We need to talk about gifts now.
Choosing gifts is not easy.
That's true, especially when you want the gift to feel special.
I don't want expensive gifts.
Gifts don't have to be expensive to be meaningful.
I want to make something with my hands.
Handmade gifts show love and effort.
I will make a Christmas card.
That sounds lovely.
What gift do you like the most?
I like gifts that come with love and care.
Then I will make my gift with love.
That's all that matters. The house feels very quiet tonight.
Everything feels calm and peaceful.
Tomorrow is Christmas Day.
I feel excited and a little nervous.
That's a normal feeling.
Should I sleep early tonight?
Yes, sleeping early helps you wake up fresh.
Will Santa come even if I wake up at night?
Santa usually comes when everyone is asleep.
Then I will sleep quickly.
That's a good plan.
Mom, it's morning.
Good morning. You sound very happy.
It's Christmas Day.
Yes, it is a special morning.
Santa came.
That's wonderful.
I want to open my gifts slowly.
That's a great idea. Enjoy each moment.
I feel very thankful today.
Gratitude makes happiness stronger. What do you want to do today?
I want to spend the whole day with you.
That sounds perfect.
Can we eat together and talk?
Yes, sharing meals brings people closer.
I don't want today to end.
Even when it ends, the feeling stays. Christmas is over, but the house still feels warm.
I like the calm feeling today.
Festivals come and go, but memories remain. I will remember this Christmas. So will I.
I feel thankful for everything.
Gratitude is a beautiful habit. Listening to conversations helps improve English.
I learn new sentences by listening.
Daily conversations are the best teachers.
I want to speak more clearly.
With time and practice, you will. Thank you for listening to our Christmas conversation.
We hope this video helped you practice and enjoy English in a natural way.
If you found this video helpful, please like it and share it with others.
You can also leave a comment and tell us how this conversation helped you.
And don't forget to subscribe for more English conversation practice.
We'll see you in the next video. Happy learning and Merry Christmas!